After a long day of work, I've noticed that it's also been a long day for the dogs too. So let me show you something that I've learned. You're gonna love this. Oh, looky there. She's waiting for me. There's Daphne. Ava? Daphne? Oh, well, it's been a long day, hasn't it? So I've noticed that after a long day for the dogs, they like a little treat when I get home, but they also like something else. You're gonna love this too. Let me show you. We don't do this every day, but when we do, they absolutely love it. This is a dog vacuum by a brand called Oneisall. Just look at all these attachments. I mean, you can do all sorts of stuff. You can clean your couch. You can do fingernail trimmings. You can shave their hair, their paws. They got all these different guards. The dogs love this one. In fact, I'll show you this one, and I will show you this one. It's amazing. But the cool thing is, as you're brushing, when you're done, you do that, and it sucks it back into the vacuum. This thing is incredible. Great instruction manuals, extra filters. I mean, just everything you can imagine. Oil. I mean, so good. All right, now look, the dogs know we're going to do this. Do y'all want a little pet time? Okay, let me show you. So when I say that they love this, I am not exaggerating. So come over here, Daphne. Let me show you first of all. I'm going to turn the power button on. Okay, that's on low. You probably can't even hear that, although my microphone is really close to this. I'm going to go to high, just to show you that they're not scared of this at all. Ava, where'd you go? Oh, okay, well, let's just do Daphne since she's already here. They are not scared of this, which is great. I'm going to take this attachment, and I'm going to put this one on, and they will literally line up for some quality time with me. So, Ava, come here. Or Daphne, come here. Daphne, come here. All right, watch this. They love this. This has become a little bonding time for us. Like I said, I don't do it every day, but we also make it a chore for the girls to do it. My wife will do it sometimes, and they absolutely think this is the best. And they look a lot better when we do it. So, as you can see, I'm brushing the dogs, and then it's picking up hair. And it really, really, really works well. Check this out. Then whenever you're ready, you hit it, it sucks into the hole, and then you go back and do a round number 2. So Ava, come here. Okay. Ava thinks this is a massage. Yeah, there you go. That leg will get going. She struggles with allergies, and getting all this stuff off of her is so helpful. And she loves it. And I love it too, because it's time that I get to spend with my dogs, and they really, really just line up and enjoy it. Look at that. I mean, every single few strokes, more of that. So good. All right, I'm gonna work a little bit and let you see it in action. I'll change the tool a couple times as well. I absolutely think this is the best tool we bought for the dogs in a long time, and it's become known around the house as pet time. So what time is it? Pet time! And they all come. It's great. All right, the manufacturer sent this to me like 6 months ago. There's another review out there that I've done. We loved it then, and we love it now, and the dogs love it. This is sincerely fantastic. Daphne, oh, you're back. Okay, I'm gonna do this one here for a little bit because she likes that. But then I'm gonna switch over, because with the long hair dog, this little wiry brush is the best. And she likes the feel of this a lot. But then with this shorter hair lab, she likes this one. So we're gonna do this one next. Daphne, You ready? Here, let me sit down. You guys are working me too hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, she's just a good girl.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So check that out. Oh my goodness. As you can see, this thing pulls so much hair so quickly. And I'm telling you right now that the dogs like this even more than the treat when I get home. So if you're looking for some quality time with your pets, we consider this pet time and we love it. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day with your pets. Spoil them. All right, see ya.